A smooth. The van screaming to break out.
Check the pulse, check the feed, check the lies that make you breed. I'm a ghost in a suit, I'm a product of their greed. Wake up, mask on, keep the posture real straight. Hide the fire in my eyes behind a digital plate. They want a carbon copy, just a shadow on the wall, but I'm a ticking time bomb, waiting for the curtain call. Yeah, the jazz is in my fingers, but the metal's in my soul. Try to play the part while I'm losing all control. Yeah. Who are you? Yeah. Solid threats, living life with no regrets. That's a lie sold in 4K. Yeah, we're drowning in the net. The expected path is a walk into a cage while I'm screaming out the ink on a blank distorted page. Classy on the surface, underground beneath the skin. The battle isn't out there, it's the person deep within. So keep your expectations, keep your titles and your fame. I'm erasing every letter of the world's deceptive name. And the mirror starts to crack. Turning back, I'm suffocating in the skin you chose for me. Let me breathe, let me breathe, let me breathe. Because the person within is screaming to break out. Sick of the silence, fed up with the doubt. The show, there's a soul underneath that you'll never truly know. Yeah, 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 you'll never know the person within. Walk the pavement, feel the rhythm of the city's broken heart. I'm a masterpiece of chaos.